Top 5 oldest civilizations on Earth. Number 5. Ancient China, around 1600 BC. From the Shang Dynasty to the Great Wall, China's civilization has shaped science, philosophy, and culture for thousands of years. Ancient Egypt, around 3100 BC, home of the pyramids, pharaohs, and hieroglyphics, Egypt remains one of the world's greatest civilizations. Indus Valley Civilization, around 3300 BC, spread across modern India and Pakistan, famous for advanced city planning and drainage systems. 2. Mesopotamia. Around 3500 BC, known as the cradle of civilization, it gave us writing, the wheel, and the first laws. The Sumerians, around 4500 BC. The earliest known civilization.